Now, dear student of class 12, today I'm going to start the integration by substitution. Now, what is integration by actually substitution? Now, say, now this one is an integral. Now, this is look like very tough integral, but if you use substitution method, you can convert the difficult or the complex integral in terms of simple and the soluble form. Simple and the soluble so that you can digest the integral. Now, say, substitution means now you have to substitute a certain quantity so that whenever you'll find the substitution quantity, its derivative must be present in that integral. Now let us suppose if I substitute this quantity equals to z, this is equals to z. Then after the derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x. But over here x dx is there. That means the derivative of x square is present over here. It is x dx. Now say, let this quantity equals to z. Let 1 plus x square equals to z. After that, you have to differentiate this function. Derivative 1, 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. Then always after the derivative that you have to write dx equals to derivative of z is dz. This way you have to differentiate. X square, then you have to put always dx. Then z, the derivative of z is dz. What we required? Its derivative, x dx. Now we have over here x dx. Now x dx is equals to dz by 2. Now after that, the entire quantity that I'll substitute over here. After the substitution, the entire integral should be in terms of z. 1 plus x square is z. It is z cube. Then x dx. What is the value of x dx? X dx is dz over 2. Now then the constant quantity I'll write outside the integral. 1 by 2 z cube dz. Then the integration of z cube will be z to the power 3 plus 1. It is 4 by 4 plus c. 4 to the 8. Then the value of z is, answer should be in terms of the given variable. Plus c. You have to substitute the value of z from here. The value of z. This is a complete integration. Now the first question, integration of 2 cos 2x over 1 plus sin 2x. Now say, the derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2. Its derivative. The derivative of the denominator is present in the numerator. So I'll consider this new denominator equals to z. Let 1 plus sin 2x equals to z. Derivative 1, 0. Derivative sin 2x is cos 2x into 2 derivative of x, in this case we'll write dx, and the derivative z is dz. 2 cos 2x dx equals to dz. Now after the substitution we are getting the numerator 2 cos 2x dx. The value of this 2 cos 2x dx, the value of this entire quantity is equals to how much? Dz over 1 plus sin 2x is z. Integration of dz over z or a dx over x is log x. Same way I'll write dz upon z is log z plus c. Therefore log, and the value of z is 1 plus sin 2x plus c. Now first question is finished. The second question, now say the same type of question. The derivative of the denominator, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Its derivative is present over here. So I'll consider let tan x equals to z. Derivative tan x is sec square x, and the derivative of x I'll write dx in case of integral is equals to dz. Now say the value of sec square x dx is dz. Now it is integration of sec square x dx is dz over the tan x is z. Therefore dz upon z is log mod z plus c. Therefore substitute the value of z. Z is equals to tan x plus c. That is what? answer. Now, in this case, let's say over here. Again, you have to substitute the denominator. Let this quantity equals to z. The denominator equals to z. If you consider this is equals to z, then derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 5x is 5. Its derivative is present over here. So I'll consider let x square plus 5x plus 7 is equals to z. Now then the derivative x square 2x 5x 5. After the derivative that you have to write dx equals to dz. Now say after the derivative we are getting this numerator 2x plus 5 dx is 2x plus 5 dx equals to dz. So integration 2x plus 5 dx is dz over z. Integration of dz over z is log of mod z plus c. Therefore log of, and the value of z is x square plus 5x plus 7 plus c. Now this is finished. Now the second question of say over here, in this case x log x is there. What will be the derivative of log x? 1 by x. So I'll consider let log x equals to z. Derivative log x is 1 by x. Then dx equals to dz. Now we're getting this values dx upon x. Dx upon x is dz. Now say dx upon 1 by x into dx means dx upon x is dz. Now in place of dx upon x we can write dz divided by, and the log x is z. The integration of dz upon z is log of mod z plus c. Therefore log of the value of z is now is integration of sine to the power 4x cos x dx. Now say derivative of sine x is cos x. Its derivative is present over here. So I'll consider let sine x equals to z. Derivative of sine x is cos x dx equals to dz. Now then substitution. Sine x is z. It is z to the power 4. And the value of cos x dx is dz. Integration of z to the power 4 is z to the power 4 plus 1 5 over 5 plus c. Therefore substitute the value of z. Z is sin x. So sine to the power 5x over 5 plus c. This is a required answer. The second question now say cos of log x over x. Now we are getting a derivative of log x over here. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Its derivative is present over here. So I'll consider let log x is equals to z. Derivative log x is 1 by x dx equals to dz. Now say dx upon x is dz. Cos of log x is z, and the dx upon x is dz. Now the integration of cos z is sin z plus c. Therefore substitute the value of z. Z is log x plus c.